Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to start our next session in the series of monthly current affairs. Now, in this series, as you know, हम past 14 months के current affairs को cover कर रहे हैं and already इस series में हमने Feb to लेके अक्टूबर तक के current affairs को cover कर लिया था. आज के इस वीडियो में we are going to cover the current affairs for the month of March 2026, जिसमें कि हम टोटल 350 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे. अगर मैं बात करूं टोटल एमसीक्यूज की, तो ये पूरे 14 मंथ्स के करंट अफेयर्स में आपको 2600 हाई क्वालिटी एमसीक्यूज मिलेंगे. नाउ इफ यू वांट द पीडीएफ ऑफ 6 मंथ और यू वांट द पीडीएफ ऑफ लास्ट 1 ईयर, ये दोनों के दोनों आपको इसके डाउनलोड लिंक पिन कमेंट्स में मिल जाएंगे. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट आवर टुडे सेशन. मार्च 2026 के लेटेस्ट करंट अफेयर्स हम इस वीडियो में कवर करते हैं. पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, which priority ecosystem is targeted by 20 million euro climate resilience initiative between India and Germany? Now this question is important with two respect. सबसे पहला तो ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि इंडिया एंड जर्मनी has signed a climate resilience initiative, जिसमें कि the target areas is going to be the Himalayas. Okay, this is an important question. Although the amount that is given कि 20 मिलियन यूरोस का ये प्रोजेक्ट होगा, द अमाउंट इज नॉट दैट इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो दैट इंडिया एंड जर्मनी हैज साइंड अ क्लाइमेट रेजिलियंस इनिशिएटिव एंड ये हिमालयस के लिए साइन हुआ है. इन एडिशन अगर मैं आपको बताऊं यूरोपियन यूनियन के बारे में, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि यूरोपियन यूनियन का पार्ट है जर्मनी. ओके, यूरोपियन यूनियन की बात करूं तो 1993 में इट वाज फॉर्म एंड हेडक्वार्टर्स की मैं बात करूं तो हेडक्वार्टर इज इन ब्रसेल्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग की मैं बात करूं कि कितने मेंबर्स है ईयू के, तो यूरोपियन यूनियन के टोटल 26 कंट्रीज मेंबर हैं. अब यूरोपियन यूनियन से एक रिलेटेड टर्म है यूरोजोन. यूरोजोन इज एन इकोनॉमिक टाइप ऑफ जोन जहां पे द कंट्रीज विच आर पार्ट ऑफ यूरोजोन फॉलो यूरो एज देयर करेंसी. तो अभी एक लेटेस्ट एडिशन हुआ था जनवरी 1 में 2026 में. ठीक है, लेटेस्ट एडिशन कौन सी कंट्री का हुआ है इन द यूरोजोन? दिस इज बल्गेरिया. ओके, तो इतनी बातें आपको पता होनी चाहिए. ये करंट अफेयर का फैक्ट, यूरोजोन क्वेश्चन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है एंड ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो इंपॉर्टेंट है ही. ओके, नाउ जो यहाँ पे इनिशिएटिव साइन हुआ है बिटवीन इंडिया एंड जर्मनी, इट इंक्लूड्स द हिमालयन आइलैंड रीजन, हिमालयास, आइलैंड रीजन्स, वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड द नॉर्थ ईस्ट. इन सारे एरियाज के लिए ये पैक्ट जो है वो साइन किया गया है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, वेयर डिड यूनियन मिनिस्टर सर्बानंद सोनोवाल इनॉग्रेट 3 इनलैंड वाटर प्रोजेक्ट्स ऑन द नेशनल वाटरवेज टू? अब जैसे हमारे नेशनल हाईवेज होते हैं कंट्री में, वैसे ही नेशनल वाटरवेज भी होते हैं एंड दिस इज इक्वली इंपॉर्टेंट. सो सर्बानंद सोनोवाल, हु इज द मिनिस्टर ऑफ पोर्ट्स एंड शिपिंग ऑल्सो, has inaugurated 3 inland waterways project in Dibrugarh, Assam. अब यहाँ पे you need to know about the national waterways. अगर मैं बात करूं नेशनल वाटरवेज 1, तो दिस इज फ्रॉम प्रयागराज टू हल्दिया. ठीक है, एंड अगर मैं बात करूं कौन से वाटरवेज में ये सिचुएटेड है, तो ऑब्वियसली प्रयागराज है तो गंगा रिवर, भागीरथी एंड हुगली. ओके, ये है नेशनल वाटरवेज 1. इसको आप नोट जरूर कर लेना, ये क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जाम में 110%, क्योंकि ये स्टैटिक भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करता है. ओके, देन कम्स द नेशनल वाटरवेज 2, जिसके ऊपर ये क्वेश्चन है. तो जो नेशनल वाटरवेज 2 है, दिस इज इन सादिया टू धुबरी. एंड बेसिकली ये जो नेशनल वाटरवेज 2 है, ये ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर पे है. ओके, एंड ये कंप्लीटली असम स्टेट में सिचुएटेड है. ओके, जो नेशनल वाटरवेज 3 है, दिस इज फ्रॉम कोट्टापुरम टू कोल्लम, ये है केरला में. ठीक है, नेशनल वाटरवेज 4 की मैं बात करूं तो ये कृष्णा एंड गोदावरी रिवर पे है. ओके, कृष्णा एंड गोदावरी रिवर पे. एंड अगर मैं बात करूं नेशनल वाटरवेज 5 की, सो दिस इज इन तालचर टू धामरा. कौन से 2 स्टेट्स कवर होते हैं? तो ओडिशा प्लस वेस्ट बंगाल को नेशनल वाटरवेज 5 जो है वो कनेक्ट करता है. सो ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको आप ध्यान में रखेंगे। नाउ द प्रोजेक्ट जो 3 इनलैंड वाटरवेज प्रोजेक्ट थे, दीज आर इनॉग्रेटेड एट चौकी डिंगी प्लेग्राउंड इन डिब्रूगढ़ टू इनहेंस लॉजिस्टिक्स, ट्रेड एंड रिवरराइन टूरिज्म। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Which state has launched its first dark sky park in Kolli Hills to promote astrotourism? This question is also very very important. अब dark sky park क्या होता है? So this is a ये एक इस तरह का पार्क या रिजर्व होता है इन विच जो लाइटिंग होती है ना वो सूट करती है नाइट इन्वायरमेंट्स को। ठीक है, नाइट इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली लाइटिंग्स होती हैं इस तरीके के पार्क में। अगर मैं बात करूं फर्स्ट डार्क स्काई पार्क की, तो दिस वाज पेंच टाइगर रिजर्व, पेंच टाइगर रिजर्व ऑफ महाराष्ट्र। ओके, अगर मैं बात करूं फर्स्ट डार्क स्काई रिजर्व की, तो द फर्स्ट डार्क स्काई रिजर्व वाज इन हानले। हानले कहां पे है? हानले नेशनल पार्क, इट इज इन लद्दाख। ओके, एंड अभी द स्टेट टू लॉन्च इट्स फर्स्ट डार्क स्काई पार्क इन कोली हिल्स इज तमिलनाडु। ठीक है, अब व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पार्क? ये कोली हिल्स कहां सिचुएटेड है? तो ये कोली हिल्स सिचुएटेड है अरियूर, अरियूर शोला रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट। ओके, तो ये रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट जो है ये इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे तमिलनाडु का फर्स्ट डार्क स्काई पार्क सिचुएटेड है। ओके, तमिलनाडु इनॉग्रेटेड इट्स फर्स्ट डार्क स्काई पार्क एट द अरियूर शोला रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट इन द कोली हिल्स। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ द अपग्रेडेड राजमार्ग प्रवेश वेब पोर्टल? तो एज द नेम सजेस्ट, राजमार्ग मतलब क्या? हाईवेज ही होगा। ठीक है, तो ये जो भी पोर्टल होगा दिस विल बी रिलेटेड टू हाईवेज। हम इसको एलिमिनेट भी कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे टोल कलेक्शन सिस्टम, दिस कैन नॉट बी ट्रू। क्यों? क्योंकि टोल कलेक्शन सिस्टम तो नेशनल हाईवे अथॉरिटीज ऑफ इंडिया के अंडर आता है एंड ये फास्ट टैग्स के थ्रू किया जाता है। अब अगर आप फास्ट टैग के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी पे काम करता है। RFIDs आपने सुना होगा, सो फास्ट टैग इज रिलेटेड टू RFIDs। नेक्स्ट है हमारा ऑब्टेनिंग NOCs अलोंग द नेशनल हाईवे। सो राजमार्ग प्रवेश पोर्टल का करेक्ट आंसर है, ये पोर्टल बनाया गया था टू ऑब्टेन नो ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट अलोंग द नेशनल हाईवेज। बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Who has been appointed as the chairman of the reconstituted Hindi Advisory Committee for the Ministry of Fertilizers, Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers? किन्हें नियुक्त किया गया है in the reconstituted Hindi Advisory Committee for the Ministry of Chemical and Fertilizers? So JP Nadda. Okay, JP Nadda is named as the chairman of the newly reconstituted committee. ये नाम important है because previously he has held the post of the president, national president of the BJP party. So this post becomes important. Next is question number 6 is an important question. Now, which joint maritime exercise was successfully conducted by the Indian Air Force Southern Air Command across the Lakshadweep and Minicoy? ठीक है, सदर्न एयर कमांड ने कौन सी मेरीटाइम एक्सरसाइज कंडक्ट की है अक्रॉस लक्षद्वीप एंड मिनिकॉय? सो द नेम ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज इज कलारी लीप। इंपॉर्टेंट है तो इसको आप ध्यान में रखेंगे। ओके, दिस एक्सरसाइज कलारी लीप बाय द इंडियन एयर फोर्स focused on validating joint operational planning and rapid force projection in a complex maritime environment. Okay, now where was the Indian Air Force exercise Vayu Shakti 2026 conducted? This is again an important question. So Vayu Shakti 2026 exercise was conducted in the Pokhran range, and ये Pokhran range कहाँ है? This is in Rajasthan. Okay, next देखते हैं। Who became the first Indian Prime Minister to address the Israeli Parliament? Knesset. So फर्स्ट इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैज बिकम नरेंद्र मोदी, इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड जो इजराइल की पार्लियामेंट दैट इज सेनेट, इसका जो हाईएस्ट ऑनर है दैट इज आल्सो बीन गिवन टू पीएम मोदी। ओके, पीएम मोदी वाज आल्सो कन्फर्ड द मेडल ऑफ नेसेट ड्यूरिंग हिज विजिट टू इजराइल। एंड इजराइल विजिट से रिटर्न होने के जस्ट एक दिन बाद ही इजराइल एंड ईरान के बीच में जो है वो वॉर स्टार्ट हो गया, जो अभी तक चल रहा है, 30 डेज से ज्यादा हो गए। नेक्स्ट है, विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन provided a $300 million loan to IIFL Home Finance to promote affordable housing for women in India? Because this question is related to gender equality, this question is related to the inequalities and providing women the facility. That is why this becomes important. So यहाँ पे IIFL Home Finance को जो loan है that has been provided by the Asian Development Bank. Okay. Next है, what is the name of the AI Bag mobile app launched by JioFinance for hyper personalized financial services? So the app that has been launched, इसका नाम है Finsider. Okay. Now the Finsider app, it features agentic AI and neural networks to provide personalized financial recommendation. अब ये जो agentic AI है ना, this is important for whom? For those preparing for the UPSC examination. इसका कंसेप्ट आपको पता होना चाहिए। अगर आप चाहते हो कि ऐसे कंसेप्ट पे मैं वीडियो बनाऊं तो प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके बताना। आई विल मेक सम ऑफ द स्पेशलाइज्ड वीडियो दैट इज रिलेटेड टू साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, जो कि रिसेंटली न्यूज में रही हैं एंड मोस्ट प्रोबेबली दे कैन बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशंस। ओके, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं, विच फिनटेक कंपनी पार्टनर्ड विथ Janani AI to launch an agentic AI platform for in-call UPI payments. फिर से agentic AI है, so this term is in news. Okay, आपको पता होना चाहिए। So यहाँ पे Razorpay ने पार्टनर किया है, Razorpay launched a platform to complete UPI payments during live customer calls. Next is a very important question. Where was श्रीलंका's first blue bond dually listed? तो श्रीलंका का फर्स्ट ब्लू बॉन्ड was dually listed in the गिफ्ट सिटी। ठीक है, गिफ्ट सिटी कहां पे है इंडिया की फर्स्ट? सो दिस इज इन गांधीनगर, गुजरात। नेक्स्ट है, which AI startup partnered with SBI Life Insurance to deploy tool across its distribution network? So SBI Life Insurance ने पार्टनर किया है with सर्वम AI. सर्वम AI is very much in news because इन्होंने indigenously developed large language model बनाया है which is very much efficient. ठीक है, सर्वम is an Indian company. So यहाँ पे सर्वम से related question आ सकते हैं। Okay, सर्वम entered a partnership to deploy its conversational AI platform संवाद। अब यहाँ से ये भी वो पूछ सकते हैं कि संवाद जो AI प्लेटफॉर्म है ये किन्होंने बनाया है? तो इट हैज बीन मेड बाय सर्वम। ठीक है, नाउ अगेन साइंस से रिलेटेड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, विच टाइप ऑफ सिस्टम इज द DRDO's न्यूली टेस्टेड VSHORADS? तो आपसे एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं कि दिस VSHORADS इट्स व्हाट? सो दिस इज एन मैन पोर्टेबल एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम। ठीक है, VSHORADS is a man-portable air defense missile system which is designed to neutralize low-altitude aerial threats like fighter aircraft and drones. This is an important question. एक तो ये पूछ सकते हैं कि ये क्या है, and next is कि ये पूछ सकते हैं कि किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने डेवलप किया है। तो it has been developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. Next is a very important question. ठीक है, What is the nickname of the Indian naval ship INS Anjdeep commissioned at Chennai port? So INS Anjdeep, सबसे पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्या है। This is a anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft। ठीक है, इसके अलावा anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft INS Androth भी था एंड INS माहे भी एक एंटी सबमरीन वॉरफेयर शैलो वाटरक्राफ्ट है। ओके, नाउ अंजदीप जो है, दिस इज द थर्ड एडिशन टू द लिस्ट, एंड इस अंजदीप का जो निकनेम है इट इज डॉल्फिन हंटर। ये नाम आप याद रखेंगे क्योंकि आपसे एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं कि डॉल्फिन हंटर recently seen in news is related to what? So this is a name of INS अंजदीप। ओके, इसके अलावा अगर मैं बात करूं तो इसरो का एक रॉकेट है विच इज दी LVM रॉकेट है, LVM LMV रॉकेट है, ठीक है। इसका निकनेम है बाहुबली, ठीक है। ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये किसी एग्जाम में आपसे पूछ सकते हैं क्योंकि शॉर्ट फॉर्म में आप रिलेट नहीं कर पाओगे तो ये आपसे पूछ सकते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज विच ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म वॉज पद्मश्री अवॉर्डी उत्सव चरण दास नोन फॉर प्रिजर्विंग? सो ही इज नोन टू प्रिजर्व द घोड़ा नाचा, ठीक है। द रिनोन्ड आर्टिस्ट हु इज उत्सव चरण दास dedicated over 6 decades to preserve and promote the traditional dummy horse dance from Odisha. And ये घोड़ा नाचा कौन से स्टेट का है? तो ये ओडिशा का है, इसको आप ध्यान में रखेंगे। ओके, now what is the theme for the National Science Day 2026? National Science Day 2026 की जो थीम है it is related to the women in science catalyzing विकसित भारत, very much important. And when is this National Science Day celebrated? 28 Feb को ये सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। ओके, एंड इस बार का जो एडिशन था दिस वाज द 40th नेशनल साइंस डे। नेक्स्ट इज अगेन दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, which union territory launched a CBDC based digital food currency pilot for direct benefit transfer under PMJKAY scheme? तो CBDC based digital food currency pilot has been launched by पुदुचेरी, ठीक है। Now next देखते हैं, which union minister launched the rail tech policy and the completely digitized ERCT system? So it has been launched by the अश्विनी वैष्णव। अब यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आपके लिए है जो यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन में है। ओके, अश्विनी वैष्णव लॉन्च दीज टूल्स एज अ रिफॉर्म नंबर 3 and 4 अंडर 52 रिफॉर्म्स इन 52 वीक्स। अब आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं कि 52 रिफॉर्म्स इन 52 वीक्स का जो इनिशिएटिव है ये कौन से डिपार्टमेंट का है? सो दिस इज एन इनिशिएटिव ऑफ द इंडियन रेलवेज। ओके, ये इनिशिएटिव है इंडियन रेलवेज का। नाउ इन विच स्टेट वाज इंडियाज फर्स्ट स्टेट इनोवेशन मिशन फॉर्मली लॉन्च्ड? इंडिया का फर्स्ट स्टेट इनोवेशन मिशन हैज बीन लॉन्च्ड इन त्रिपुरा। ओके, द मिशन वाज लॉन्च्ड इन अगरतला त्रिपुरा अंडर द अटल इनोवेशन मिशन 2.0 प्रोग्राम। एंड अगर मैं बात करूं अटल इनोवेशन मिशन की तो ये फ्लैगशिप इनिशिएटिव है नीति आयोग का। इस बात को आप ध्यान में रखेंगे, दिस इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ विच एंटरप्राइज was upgraded to a Schedule A CPSE by the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. So MSME मिनिस्ट्री ने NSIC को यहाँ पे शेड्यूल ए में रखा है, अपग्रेड किया है। ओके, व्हाट इज NSIC? NSIC is the National Small Industries Corporation. Now, which country signed a statement of intent with India to launch the CTEC program for AI cooperation? This is again an important question. So CTEC program, अब ये CTEC क्या है? CTEC is Sweden India Technology and Artificial Intelligence Corridor। तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, इंडिया तो है ही, साथ में किस कंट्री ने लॉन्च किया होगा? तो स्वीडन ने लॉन्च किया है। ओके, CTEC program is between India and Sweden for AI cooperation. Which IIT partnered with NMDC's Research and Development Center to advance indigenous mining and green steel making technologies. So ग्रीन इंडिजीनियस माइनिंग एंड ग्रीन स्टील मेकिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज के लिए आईआईटी हैदराबाद ने यहाँ पे एमओयू साइन किया है। नेक्स्ट है विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कोलैबोरेटेड विद द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर टू डेवलप अ स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर इंडियाज कल्चरल एंड क्रिएटिव इकोनॉमी। दिस इज अगेन एन इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। सो यहाँ पे फिकी ने साइन किया है एमओयू to formulate a structured roadmap and integrated culture with the economic policy. Next is who did UIDAI collaborate with to display authorized Aadhaar card center with their service details. So UIDAI ने collaborate किया है with Google to display authorized Aadhaar card centers, Aadhaar centers with their service details. अभी रिसेंटली उडाई ने UIDAI ने एक उडाई करके कुछ लॉन्च किया है। ये क्या है ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना। ओके नाउ ये जो पार्टनरशिप है विद गूगल इंश्योर्स दैट गूगल मैप डिस्प्लेज ऑथोराइज्ड सेंटर्स आधार सेंटर्स ऑपरेटिंग आवर एंड देयर एक्सेसिबिलिटी फीचर्स। वेयर डिड इंडिया यूथ एडल्ट्स rank in the Sapiens Lab Global Mind Health Report? This is an important question because a unique type की ये report है of its kind. So this is important. Okay. So India के youth का क्या rank है? 60th rank है. Okay. Quotient score अगर बोला जाए, what was the score of the Indian adults? तो 33 score के साथ India has been ranked 60th out of 84 countries. Who was appointed as the interim CEO of the World Economic Forum following Borge Brende's resignation? So, this is Alois Zwingli. Klaus Schwab जो थे ना वो तो फाउंडर ही थे यहाँ पे WEF के। ओके इसके बाद बॉर्ज ब्रेंडे को बनाया गया था CEO। अब जो है वो Alois Zwingli हैं। ओके नाउ next is RBI approved SBI Mutual Fund to acquire up 9.99% stake in which two banks? So SBI Mutual Fund will acquire 9.99% stake in the RBL Bank and Bandhan Bank. Those who are preparing for the banking examination ये पूछ सकते हैं आपसे। Now, which company acquired a 30% stake in Reliance Enterprise Intelligence Limited for 256 crore? So, Facebook Overseas ने 30% stake जो है वो acquire किया है Reliance Industries Limited का। Next is obituaries के सेंस में ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। Veteran leader R. Nallakanu, who passed away at the age of 101, was associated with which political party? So he was associated with the Communist Party of India and ये एक बहुत famous leader थे in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Next is what was the recognized theme for the World NGO Day observed on 27th Feb? So 27th Feb को मनाया जाने वाला वर्ल्ड एनजीओ डे की थीम यहाँ पे रखी गई थी रिस्टोरिंग डिग्निटी थ्रू इंक्लूजन। विच रेयर डिजीज कैंपेन स्लोगन इज यूज्ड फॉर रेयर डिजीज डे ऑन 28 Feb 2026? सो कौन सा डिजीज है और क्या स्लोगन था? मोर देन यू कैन इमेजिन द रियलिटीज बिहाइंड रेयर डिजीज। The 19th edition of this global awareness event was observed with this theme. Next है Chhattisgarh financial year 2027 budget of rupees 1.72 lakh crore was centered around which acronym? Important है for those who are preparing for the Chhattisgarh PSC examination. So जो ये बजट का acronym था this is संकल्प. Okay. Finance Minister of Chhattisgarh O.P. Chaudhary presented the budget centered around the Sankalp covering inclusion and investment. Next is Pakyong Airport in Sikkim is being renamed in the honor of which freedom fighter? This is again an important question. So Pakyong Airport in Sikkim is being renamed in the honor of त्रिलोचन पोखरेल. Okay. Now CM कौन है सिक्किम के? तो प्रेम सिंह तमांग announced the renaming to honor the first independence activist from Sikkim, who was Trilochan Pokhrel. Now, what is the name of the portal launched by Delhi CM Rekha Gupta for public grievance redressal? This is important. Okay. So the name of the portal that has been launched by Delhi CM Rekha Gupta ji is CM Jan Sunwai portal. The portal and the mobile app aim to digitize the public hearing and centralize grievances across all the departments. Which vaccine is used in the nationwide HPV vaccination program launched by PM Modi in Ajmer? Very, very important question. So the name of the vaccine is Gardasil 4. Okay, Gardasil 4 is against this HPV virus. This is the single dose quadrivalent vaccine that protects against HPV type 16, 18, 6 and 11 for girls aged 14. Okay, Gardasil 4 is related to HPV virus. ये ध्यान में रखना, ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम के लिए. Where did PM Modi inaugurate the semiconductor ATM facility of Micron Technology? So, a semiconductor ATM facility of Micron Technology has been inaugurated in Sanand, Gujarat. Okay, and ये जो Micron Technology है, this is a company of United States of America. Which three festival did Ministry of Tribal Affairs announce for March 2026 to celebrate tribal culture? This is again an important question. कौन से वो तीन tribal festival हैं? So this is TAF, LRF and BTF. Okay. This is the Tribes Art Festival, Living Roots Festival. ये Living Roots कहाँ मिलती हैं हमें? तो ये मेघालय में मिलती हैं. And BTF is Bharat Tribe Festival. Now, with which institute did the International Solar Alliance sign a framework for action to advance solar skills? तो इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस कब फॉर्म हुआ था? 2015 में फॉर्म हुआ था. किसने फॉर्म किया था? तो इंडिया एंड फ्रांस के इनिशिएटिव में इट वाज फॉर्म्ड. बात करूं मैं हेडक्वार्टर्स की इंटरनेशनल सोलर अलायंस की, तो ये इंडिया के गुरुग्राम में है. ठीक है. एंड इन्होंने कौन से इंस्टीट्यूट, कौन से आईआईटी के साथ ये साइन किया है फ्रेमवर्क? दिस इज विथ आईआईटी दिल्ली. Now, which state signed an MOU with IMD, with the Indian Meteorological Department, to install a X-band Doppler weather under the mission मौसम? So यहाँ पे नागालैंड गवर्नमेंट के साथ an MOU has been signed. The 20-year MOU will enhance weather forecasting and radar will be installed in Dimapur. Next is, for how many years did India and the European Union agree to grant each other the most favored nation status? So India and European Union ने एक दूसरे को most favored nation का स्टेटस दिया है for the 5 years. ठीक है. एंड ये किसके बाद हुआ है? जब इंडिया यूरोपियन यूनियन के बीच में फ्री ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट अभी साइन हुआ है, इसके बाद दिस विल बी एप्लीकेबल. What is the estimated real GDP growth for India in financial year 2026 according to the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation new series with base year 2022-23? So आपको पता है रियल जीडीपी का बेस ईयर जो है वो चेंज करके 2022-23 किया गया है अभी. इसके अकॉर्डिंग द एस्टिमेटेड जीडीपी ग्रोथ रेट ऑफ इंडिया इज 7.6%. Which tech giant partnered with Bharti Airtel to launch secure RCS messaging with AI-powered spam filters in India? So ये साइन किया है गूगल के साथ. Google partnered with Airtel to apply telecom grade accountability to OTT messaging using the RCS platform. Next is, this is important, who was appointed as Iran's interim supreme leader after the death of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei? So this is Ayatollah Ali Reza Arafi. Okay, and he has also been declared dead. इसके बाद Mojtaba Khamenei हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द सुप्रीम लीडर। ये भी क्वेश्चन आगे मिलेगा ही आपको, ठीक है। अभी हम क्रोनोलॉजिकली मार्च 1 से लेके स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, धीरे धीरे हम मार्च 31 तक मूव करेंगे, ओके। क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर में, इसलिए आपने देखा होगा कि 27 फेब 28 फेब से आगे क्रोनोलॉजिकल सीरीज में क्वेश्चंस को यहाँ पे अरेंज किया गया है। Which state cricket team won its first ever Ranji Trophy title in the 2025-26 season? Very important question, and ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आने वाला है, ओके। क्योंकि जम्मू एंड कश्मीर ने फर्स्ट टाइम जीता है रणजी ट्रॉफी का टाइटल, ठीक है। एंड दिस फाइनल वाज अगेंस्ट कर्नाटका। नेक्स्ट इज what symbol represents zero discrimination day that is observed on 1st March? तो zero discrimination day is observed with the symbol of butterfly. Butterfly जो symbol है, it represents transformation towards a world of dignity and equality. Next is West Bengal signed an MOU with GIZ and SMCG to develop basin-based master plan for which two transboundary rivers? So this is the Ichamati and Jalangi rivers, okay. The master plan aims to address pollution, erosion and declining water flow in the upper Ganga delta. Which smart card was launched by President Draupadi Murmu to allow free travel for women in Delhi public transport? The name of the card is very much important. Card का नाम क्या है? तो सहेली पिंक NCMC card, okay. The card can be used by the women to travel on the DTC bus, Delhi Metro and RRTS. PMGKAY digital food currency pilot relies on which underlying mechanism for RTT of transactions? So RTT मतलब रियल टाइम ट्रैकिंग, कौन से करेंसी में ये होगी? तो ये डिजिटल रूपी में होगी, ओके, डिजिटल ई रूपी। Now, which initiative was introduced by Niti Aayog and GICA under the second phase of their cooperative actions for sustainable development goals? So यहाँ पे नीति आयोग का एक फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम है एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स, ठीक है। सो एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स एंड ब्लॉक प्रोग्राम जो है, दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द इनिशिएटिव। These program will focus on strengthening the development intervention and institutional capacity in these regions. Where was the newly established central facility for recombinant cells and sensors inaugurated by Dr. Jitendra Singh? So this was inaugurated in Kerala. This is first of its kind, important है, तो आपसे पूछ सकते हैं। Where was the National Arogya Fair 2026 held to promote affordable traditional healthcare? So, National Arogya Fair 2026 was held in Shegaon, Maharashtra. Okay. Now, which tech firm partnered with IIT Kanpur to drive deep tech innovation for global capability centers? So, कौन सी फर्म? तो HCL Tech ने यहाँ पे IIT कानपुर के साथ जो है वो पार्टनर किया है। Why did RBI impose that 11.50 lakh penalty on Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services for fair practices code breach? Mahindra and Mahindra Services ने जो fair practices code को breach किया था, that's why इन पे penalty लगाई गई है। When is the World Civil Defense Day observed to honor the civil protection personnel? So वर्ल्ड सिविल डिफेंस डे 1 मार्च को यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व किया जाता है। Now which state or union territory launched the सशक्त नारी समृद्ध दिल्ली प्रोग्राम featuring the सहेली पिंक स्मार्ट कार्ड? तो ये दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया था एंड हमने देखा कि प्रेसिडेंट द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी ने यहाँ पे सहेली पिंक स्मार्ट कार्ड को इनॉग्रेट किया था फॉर द वुमेन्स ऑफ दिल्ली। Next is a very important question. Okay, what are the names of the mascots unveiled for India's fully digital census 2027? So Pragati and Vikas are the name of the mascot for the census. ठीक है। The female and the male mascot represent equal participation in achieving a developed nation by 2047. Which institution signed an MOU with the Office of CCPD to advance disability rights and inclusions? So Pondicherry University ने साइन किया है MOU with the CCPD. What percentage of legal rights of men do women hold globally according to the recent UN report? So यहाँ पे 64%. UN report के according, the disparity exists in nearly 70% of the surveyed country, causing pervasive discrimination. Now, what is the name of SEBI in-house AI system deployed to monitor and remove the misleading financial claims? This is a very, very important question. So, SEBI का in-house AI system का नाम है सुदर्शन. ठीक है. एक बात और ध्यान रखना आप कि सुदर्शन चक्र, this is related to India's defense. ठीक है. Sudarshan is the name of the AI in-house AI system which has been installed by SEBI. Now, the AI system Sudarshan helped to remove over 1.20 lakh misleading social media posts by unregistered financial influencers. Now, which country became the first in America to eliminate leprosy as a public health problem? This is a very, very important question. So, WHO ने recently announce किया है child को. ठीक है. WHO officially verified that child met the criteria for eliminating leprosy following Jordan. सबसे पहले Jordan में eradicate हुई थी. Next in the line is child. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador for SBI General Insurance चुनिए भरोसा अपनों सा campaign? So Pankaj Tripathi was signed as the brand ambassador. Who became the first Indian economist to win the Chicago Alumni Award for Professional Achievement? The first Indian economist to win the Chicago Alumni Award is K.V. Subramanian. K.V. Subramanian जी कौन है? He is the former chief economic advisor of the country. ठीक है. Next is again a very important question. Which city will host the World Indoor Athletics Championship 2028? So World Indoor Athletics Championship will be hosted by Bhubaneswar. Next is, what is the target threshold for non-biogenic greenhouse gas emission for the green ammonia in India? So जो target threshold है, this is 0.38 kg. ठीक है. The standard was notified by the Ministry of Renewable Energy to accelerate the global trade of green hydrogen initiative. वो हाइड्रोजन जो कि रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेस के थ्रू प्रोड्यूस की जाती है, इट इज नोन एज ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन. नेक्स्ट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. Where is India's first integrated ocean thermal energy conversion OTEC plant being developed? So India's first integrated ocean thermal energy conversion plant is in Kavaratti, Lakshadweep. Which organization launched the National Climate Stack Innovation Challenge in the collaboration with Gates Foundation? Very very important. आप टिक करके आओगे नीति आयोग, बट आंसर इज NABARD. ठीक है. NABARD ने लॉन्च किया है नेशनल क्लाइमेट स्टैक इनोवेशन चैलेंज. Who was appointed as the next vice chief of the army staff? Next vice chief of the army staff कौन है? He is Lieutenant General PP Singh. Which state became the 12th in India to sign MOU on reforms under the Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0? So Meghalaya has become the 12th state. Which port did EPSIS operationalize and India's first port of refuge on the western coast? Very very important. तो इंडिया का फर्स्ट पोर्ट ऑफ रेफ्यूज है दिघी पोर्ट. ओके. The Dighi port on the west coast and Gopalpur on the east coast will provide the shelter to vessels in distress. ठीक है. Ports of refuge, दो ports हैं, दिघी पोर्ट एंड गोपालपुर पोर्ट ओडिशा में. दिघी पोर्ट जो है वो वेस्ट कोस्ट में है. कौन से स्टेट में है ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना. Who won the Mark Linton History Prize 2026 for the book The Golden Road? This is an important question. ठीक है. So this award has been won by William Dalrymple. He won the award for his book exploring how the ancient India transformed the world. Which AI system was integrated into the upgraded version 2.0 of the Indian Culture Portal? So the name of the portal is Bharti. ठीक है? Bharti is an AI powered chatbot which is integrated with Bhashini to support responses in 22 Indian languages. Who was appointed as the interim part-time chairman of the HDFC Bank following Atanush Chakrabarti resignation? So Keki Mistry has been appointed as the interim part-time chairman of the HDFC Bank. What is the name of the new earthworm species discovered in the Vazhani Dam of Kerala? तो वज़ानी डैम सबसे पहले तो आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि दिस इज इन केरला. दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है कि इस स्पीसीज का नाम है द्रविदा वज़ानिया. वज़हानी से आप समझ जाना कि ये स्पीसीज को पाया गया था वज़ानी डैम एरिया के क्रॉस. दैट्स वाई इस एरिया के ऊपर ही नाम रखा गया है स्पीसीज का. Which nation was ranked as the country most impacted by terrorism in the Global Terrorism Index? So Pakistan. What is the India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 27 according to the CRISIL Intelligence latest report? So 7.1% जो है इंडिया का रियल GDP growth forecast है. Which state secured the top rank in the Niti Aayog Fiscal Health Index? Very very important question. So नीति आयोग के फिजिकल हेल्थ इंडेक्स में टॉप रैंक है यहाँ पे ओडिशा का. ठीक है. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द स्कोर 73.1 जो है वो ओडिशा का स्कोर रहा है. Which organization collaborated with the WHO Foundation to combat childhood obesity in India? So Novo Nordisk के साथ में WHO ने कोलैबोरेट किया है. Now this initiative aims to promote healthier lifestyle and early risk identification in selected Indian districts. Which payments app appointed Mahendra Singh Dhoni as its brand ambassador? So यहाँ पे भीम जो पेमेंट ऐप है इन्होंने अपॉइंट किया है MS धोनी को as their brand ambassador. Which company launched India's first amphibious surveillance drone Avatar? So Aqua AirX ने लॉन्च किया है इंडिया का फर्स्ट एम्फीबियस सर्वेलेंस ड्रोन. अब ये क्वेश्चन इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये इंडिया का फर्स्ट एम्फीबियस सर्वेलेंस ड्रोन है जिसका नाम है अवतार. Where will the Bharat-Tex 2026 India's flagship global textile event be held? This is very important. So टेक्सटाइल है. So इंडिया का लार्जेस्ट इवेंट है. सो वो दिल्ली में न्यू दिल्ली में दिस इज गोइंग टू बी कंडक्टेड एट भारत मंडपम. What minimum value of investment for social impact fund was approved by SEBI? तो 1000 rupees is the minimum value for the social impact fund. ठीक है. अब ये जो लिमिट थी वो पहले 2 लाख थी, उसको रिड्यूस करके 1000 कर दिया गया है बाय SEBI. दैट इज व्हाई दिस इज इन न्यूज. Which European country recently signed an MOU with India's Cochin Chamber of Commerce? So लातविया ने साइन किया है MOU with India's Cochin Chamber of Commerce to boost bilateral trades. Which Indian institution topped globally in the engineering, mineral and mining in the QS World University Rankings 2026? तो IIT ISM धनबाद ने यहाँ पे 21st रैंक हासिल किया है ग्लोबली. What was the theme of the World Economic Forum Raisina Dialogue 2026 in New Delhi? So the theme was Sanskar, Assertion, Accommodation and Advancement. Who won the Best Picture Award at the 98th Academy Awards? Oscars 2026 में Best Picture का अवार्ड किसको मिला है? So this has been given to One Battle After Another. डायरेक्टर कौन है इस मूवी के? ये हैं पॉल थॉमस एंडरसन. Which Indian athlete was honored with the Hockey India's Balbir Singh Senior Award for Men's Player of the Year 2025? So हार्दिक सिंह को ये अवार्ड मिला है. हार्दिक सिंह इन द मेल एंड नवनीत कौर इन द वुमेन्स प्लेयर कैटेगरी में इनको ये अवार्ड मिले हैं. Where did India's first hydrogen powered train completed its first successful oscillation trials? सो इट वॉज फ्रॉम जींद टू सोनीपत। ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था कि इंडिया की फर्स्ट हाइड्रोजन पावर ट्रेन जो है वो हरियाणा में ऑपरेट करेगी। सो ये हरियाणा में जींद टू सोनीपत ऑपरेट करेगी। Who was appointed as the chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Classes? Very, very important. So this is Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. What is the new financial outlay for the extended Jal Jeevan Mission till 2028? So as you know, आपने पहले के लेक्चर्स देखे हैं तो आपको पता होगा कि जल जीवन मिशन को 2028 तक एक्सटेंड किया गया है। तो जो न्यू फाइनेंशियल आउटले इस मिशन को दिया गया है वो 8.69 लाख करोड़ का दिया गया है। Which state became the first to implement the Gaudham Yojana to establish 1460 cattle shelters? So ये जो गौधाम योजना है ये छत्तीसगढ़ has become the first state. Which country emerged as the largest global arms importer in the CPRI report 2025? So Ukraine is the largest arms importer. Okay. सेकेंड की मैं बात करूं, सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट आर्म इंपोर्टर तो वो है हमारा इंडिया। Now, what is the primary focus of the वायु बान प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च बाय एयरफोर्स? सो जो ये वायु बान प्रोजेक्ट है दिस इज रिलेटेड टू हेलीकॉप्टर ड्रॉप्ड ड्रोन्स। मिड एयर फ्लाइट में हेलीकॉप्टर से डायरेक्टली ड्रोन्स को ड्रॉप करना, दिस इज द वायु बान प्रोजेक्ट ऑफ द इंडियन एयर फोर्स। Which organization launched the 24 speed post service offering the next day guaranteed delivery? So 24 speed post Indian Post ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया है। Who was sworn in as the youngest Prime Minister of Nepal in March 2026? So this is बलेंद्र शाह। ठीक है, कौन से पार्टी के हैं? तो ये आरएसपी पार्टी के लीडर हैं। Which startup collaborated with the National Council for Cement and Building Materials for CCU Technologies? So this is the Tracero Technologies. Okay. Now, which country formally withdrew from the World Health Organization effective March 2026? So Argentina has withdrawn. Okay. President कौन है अर्जेंटीना के? तो जेवियर मिली is the president. Next है, what is the new inflation target set by the government of India for a period of 2026 to 2031? So जो inflation का target इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने सेट किया है this is 4%. Now, which platform was launched by SEBI to protect investor against the fraudulent mobile applications? So verified label app, verified app label, ये नया ऐप प्लेटफॉर्म है जो सेबी ने लॉन्च किया है। Which country's president visited India to elevate bilateral ties to a strategic partnership for digitalization and sustainability? So फिनलैंड के प्रेसिडेंट ने विजिट किया है। एंड फिनलैंड के प्रेसिडेंट कौन है? अलेक्जेंडर स्टब। This pact will focus on digitalization, AI, green hydrogen and 6G technology. Which state ranked first nationally in the implementation of the interoperable criminal justice system 2.0? फर्स्ट रैंक यहाँ पे उत्तराखंड को मिला है। एंड ये जो इनिशिएटिव था ये नेशनल क्राइम रिकॉर्ड ब्यूरो एनसीआरबी का था। नेक्स्ट इज Which country officially became the 118th member of the International Solar Alliance by ratifying the framework agreement? So Romania has recently become the 118th member of the International Solar Alliance. Tata Electronics Private Limited partnered with which organization to drive India's electronics manufacturing growth? So ये जो पैक्ट किया है टाटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ने ये नीति आयोग के साथ किया है। ओके, The collaboration focuses on scaling up electronics production, bolstering supply chains, and enhancing global value chain participation. Next is an important question. Which bank became the first in India to raise 10,000 crore through green infrastructure bond? So this is the Bank of Baroda. Next is which platform partnered with HDFC Bank to launch 2 new co-branded credit card focused on travel and daily spending? So Swiggy ने यहाँ पे पार्टनर किया है with HDFC Bank because ये एक important चीज़ हो सकती है, आपसे पूछ सकते हैं अगर वेग टाइप के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आते हैं ना तो वो पूछ सकते हैं। नेम क्या है इन कार्ड्स का? स्विगी ब्लैक एंड स्विगी ऑरेंज. Now, who was appointed as the new supreme leader of Iran following the death of Ali Khamenei? तो ये मैंने आपको बता ही दिया था. He is Mojtaba Khamenei. He was appointed as the third supreme leader of the Islamic Republic of Iran by the Assembly of Experts. Which space agency signed up an agreement with ISRO to improve satellite data accuracy for Earth observation mission? This is an important question. Okay, so European Space Agency ने पार्टनर किया है with ISRO to support missions like the Fluorescence Explorer for climate monitoring. Which country did India defeat by 96 runs to win the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? So India defeated New Zealand. Okay. Next is, which state chief minister presented a 30,195 crore budget for financial year 27 projecting a revenue surplus? So एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात यहाँ पे ये है ना कि मोस्टली जो स्टेट अपना बजट प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना उनमें उनको डेफिसिट होता है, यानी कि घाटा होता है. बट गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने यहाँ पे बजट जो प्रेजेंट किया है फॉर द फाइनेंशियल ईयर 27, इसमें प्रोजेक्ट किया है अ रेवेन्यू सरप्लस बजट. ओके, सीएम कौन है गोवा के? तो प्रमोद सावंत. नाउ इन विच स्टेट was the Jal Mahotsav 2026 launched to promote rural water management? So Jal Mahotsav was organized in Gujarat. It was launched in the Navsari district to strengthen the community ownership of water infrastructure. India and which partner country launched a pharma nutraceutical corridor for the Eurasian market? Important hai. Okay, this is with Uzbekistan. This corridor between India and Uzbekistan aims to promote regulatory alignment and commercial engagement in the CIS and Eurasian healthcare markets. Which institution signed an MOU with ISRO to advance space medicine research in India? So ISRO के साथ यहाँ पे एम्स ने MOU साइन किया है. The collaboration will focus on studying the physiological and psychological effect of space travel to develop healthcare solution for the astronauts. Which country hosted the 11th edition of the joint military exercise LAMITA? So Seychelles ने यहाँ पे होल्ड किया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट है the FATF added Kuwait and which other country to its grey list for increased monitoring? Important question है. So recently Kuwait and Papua New Guinea, इन दो कंट्रीज को ग्रे लिस्ट में ऐड किया गया है. अब कुवैत आप नहीं सोच सकते हो, मिडिल ईस्ट कंट्री है, आप ये नहीं सोच पाओगे कि कुवैत हो सकता है, बट ध्यान रखना, ठीक है. They were added to the grey list due to the strategic deficiencies in curbing money laundering and terrorist financing. Which digital payment platform launched the RuPay on the go NCMC card for transit payments? So this has been launched by the PhonePe. Which municipal corporation listed Maharashtra's first urban local bodies green municipal bond on the NSE? This is a very, very important question. Okay, so this is the Nasik Municipal Corporation. Now, which unit of SAIL received the BIS certification for four new high-strength low alloy steel grades? So यहाँ पे बोकारो स्टील प्लांट इन झारखंड, इनको जो है वो सर्टिफिकेशन दी गई है to expand its portfolio of high-value cold rolled steel products. Now, who won the 2026 Australian GP for Mercedes in the Formula 1 season opener? तो यहाँ पे George Russell has won the Australian GP. Okay. Next is, when is the International Day of Women Judges globally observed? तो International Day of Women Judges is observed globally on 10th of March. Okay. ये डे क्यों मनाया जाता है? टू प्रमोट द इक्वल पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ वुमेन इन द जुडिशियल सिस्टम्स वर्ल्ड वाइड. The Union Cabinet approved automatic route FDI up to what percentage for non-controlling stakes from the land border countries? So यहाँ पे 10% कर दिया गया है FDI को. Which airport in Tamil Nadu was recently granted the international airport status by the Union Cabinet? This is important. तो रिसेंटली जो है वो अभी मदुराई एयरपोर्ट को इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट डिक्लेयर किया गया है. Which city has emerged as a major hub for mechanical textile recycling in India? So, Panipat recently. Okay, the Haryana city Panipat processes waste collected from the multiple textile cluster to promote circularity in the sector. Circular economy का एक concept होता है, तो ये circularity का मतलब जो है ना वो economy से ही related है, जिसमें reuse recycle का concept होता है. ठीक है. Next is, which global platform partnered with Mission Karmayogi to upskill Indian civil servants via the iGot portal? So this is Coursera. Okay. The EdTech platform will deliver curated courses on emerging technologies and governance through the iGot marketplace. The MOPSW approved a 117.54 crore renovation project for a historic Bascal Bridge located in which city? So ये जो Bascal Bridge है, this is in Kolkata. Okay. The bridge at the Shyama Prasad Mukherjee port, ये भी कोलकाता में है, ध्यान में रखना आप. And this is a major port. Okay. Will undergo structural strengthening to improve safety and operational efficiency. Next है, Reliance Industries invested in building a new oil refinery in which US states? तो this was announced by Trump. Okay, न्यूज़ में रहा है, तो आपको पता होना चाहिए ये जो प्रपोजल है वो टेक्सास में एक ऑयल रिफाइनरी को इस्टेब्लिश करने का है. ठीक है, 50 years टाइम लगेगा इस रिफाइनरी को बनाने में. What is the maximum dividend payout limit for the commercial bank under the RBI financial year 2027 framework? So, जो maximum dividend payout limit है that is 75%. Which bank launched the Bob Women Sapphire Saving Account exclusively for female customers? This can be an important question. Okay, so Bob Women Sapphire Savings Account जो है this has been launched by the Bank of Baroda. Now, PayU partnered with which platform to launch India's first integrated customer-to-customer stack for D2C brands? ठीक है, so GoQuick has become the first platform in India. Next is, DRDO and the Indian Navy successfully tested the indigenous air droppable container ADC-150 from which aircraft? So it was tested from the P-8I aircraft. ये जो कंटेनर है it allows the rapid supply of up to 150 kg of critical materials to naval vessels operating in the deep sea areas. Now, RBI revised the counterparty credit risk rules for commercial banks are aimed at aligning with which global norms? So RBI जो है वो globally जो Basel norm होते हैं which are issued by the Bank of International Settlements. BIS भी बोलते हैं इनको, तो ये रिलीज करते हैं बेजल नॉर्म्स जिसको आरबीआई इंडिया में फॉलो करवाता है. Now, which bank signed a strategic partnership with MUFG Bank to strengthen India-Japan financial ties? So ये जो बैंक है, this is the State Bank of India. Which fintech platform was recently authorized by the RBI to operate as a payment aggregator? Very, very important. So Cred को अभी अनाउंस किया है आरबीआई ने क्या इट विल ऑपरेट एज अ पेमेंट एग्रीगेटर. द अप्रूवल अलाउज द ड्रीम प्लग टेक्नोलॉजीज टू ऑनबोर्ड मर्चेंट्स. ये जो क्रेड है ना दिस बिलोंग्स टू द ड्रीम प्लग टेक्नोलॉजीज. नाउ हु हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द न्यू एमडी एंड सीईओ ऑफ द HDFC Argo General Insurance? So Parthanil Ghosh is the correct answer. Which city will host the second leg of the Asia Cup Archery in 2027? This is an important question. So the second leg will be hosted by New Delhi. Okay. This marks India's first international archery event in 22 years. Okay. Last time जब इंडिया में एशियन आर्चरी चैंपियनशिप हुई थी वो 2005 में हुई थी. What was the theme selected for the World Kidney Day 2026? So World Kidney Day की theme थी Kidney Health for All, Caring for People, Protecting the Planet. Now, where did Union Minister C.R. Patil inaugurate the new office of the Dam Safety Authority? This is very, very important. Okay, so Dam Safety Authority, National Dam Safety Authority का new office जो है वो न्यू दिल्ली में यहाँ पे inaugurate किया गया है. How many additional districts were included in the phase 6 of the mandatory gold hallmarking by the government of India? So जो mandatory gold hallmarking की जो स्कीम है इसमें 7 more districts have been added. ठीक है. अब 380 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में कंपल्सरली गोल्ड की हॉलमार्किंग करनी पड़ेगी. इंडियन पोस्ट रिलीज्ड अ स्पेशल कवर टू कमेमोरेट द बर्थ सेंटेनरी of which legendary Hindustani classical musician? This is Annapurna Devi. Okay, the cover which has been released by the Indian Post honors the reclusive Padma Bhushan awardee known for her mastery and dedication to teaching. Which foundation signed an MOU with MSDE to strengthen global skill mobility for Indian workers? So this is the Gati Foundation. Which center public sector enterprise sanctioned rupees 86.2 lakh to upgrade healthcare in the tribal areas of Madhya Pradesh? Important है. So OICL जो है हमारा सॉरी ऑयल इंडिया लिमिटेड नहीं है जो ये इनिशिएटिव को साइन किया है एंड राजगढ़ जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है इन मध्य प्रदेश यहाँ पे इट इज गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट. Which startup partnered with the National Council for Cement and Building Materials for carbon capture and utilization technologies? So this is Tresero Technologies. The startup developed a process to capture CO2 emissions and convert them into valuable graphite, carbon and graphene. The RBI launched the Thoda Dhyan Se campaign to promote awareness about what? So थोड़ा ध्यान से क्या? तो थोड़ा ध्यान से डिजिटल पेमेंट्स को करना. Which startup incubator partnered with Jetro to bolster collaboration between Indian and Japanese deep tech startup? So यहाँ पे T-Hub ने साइन किया है. The partnership aims to create innovation networks providing market access and exchange program for startups in both the countries. Next is again an important question. Who was sworn in as the 38th president of Chile following his victory in the 2025 presidential elections? So, 30th president of Chile is Jose Antonio Cast. Okay. PM Modi launched a nationwide vaccination program in Ajmer targeting which virus? So, this is HPV virus. Okay. This program में it uses Gardasil 4 vaccine to protect girls aged 14 against cervical cancer. Who authored the book Quantum Physics 100 Magical Years released by Dr. Jitendra Singh? So ये जो book है Quantum Physics 100 Magical Years, it has been released by VPN Namapuri. Now what is the new base year for the new series of the GDP के लिए जो न्यू बेस ईयर है ये 2022-23 है. ओके, इम्पॉर्टेंट है, इसको आप ध्यान में रखेंगे. एंड वहीं अगर मैं बात करूँ कंज्यूमर प्राइस इंडेक्स के लिए जो न्यू सीरीज है इसके लिए न्यू बेस ईयर 2024 है. इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्योंकि इंडिया में जो इन्फ्लेशन है ना इट इज़ बेसिकली मेजर्ड बाई दिस CPI इंडेक्स ओनली. Which country's Prime Minister Mark Carney visited India to launch the SEPA negotiation? So Mark Carney is the Canadian PM. Okay. What interest rate did CBT and EPF recommended for Provident Fund Deposit for Financial Year 26? So इन्होंने जो रिकमेंड किया है वो 8.25% इंटरेस्ट रेट रिकमेंड किया है. What is the name of the AI driven skill census launched by the Maharashtra government in Mumbai? So ये जो AI driven skill census है, this is called as सक्षम skill census. तो आपसे एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन में ये पूछ सकते हैं कि ये जो सक्षम स्किल सेंसस है, इट हैज़ बीन लॉन्च्ड बाय विच गवर्नमेंट? तो ये महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने लॉन्च किया है. एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी इंडियाज फर्स्ट AI पावर्ड स्किल सेंसस which aimed at evaluating the skills of youth aged 18 to 40. What is the name of the new genus of blind aquifer dwelling fish discovered in Assam? So the name is Gichak Nakan. Okay, this is a translucent red miniature fish that lack eyes and a skull, representing a unique discovery in the region of Assam. When is the National Security Day? राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा दिवस ऑब्जर्व्ड एनुअली. तो मार्च 4 को जो है वो नेशनल सिक्योरिटी डे जो सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. एंड दिस इज सेलिब्रेटेड टू कमेमोरेट द एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ द नेशनल सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल इन द ईयर 1998. Which state government signed a 200 crore MOU with Germany Rail 1 GmbH for rail infrastructure? कौन सी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने जर्मनी के साथ ये पैक्ट साइन किया है? तो दिस इज द उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट. What new digital tool was launched by the Controller General of Accounts to monitor government banking? This is a very important question. ठीक है. So this is the government bank dashboard. Okay. अब CGA जो है Controller General of Accounts, this comes under the Department of Expenditure. एंड अगर मैं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एक्सपेंडिचर की बात करूं तो इट कम्स अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिनेंस. ओके, ये जो गवर्नमेंट बैंक डैशबोर्ड है, इट इज़ अ रियल टाइम मॉनिटरिंग टूल ट्रैकिंग ट्रांजैक्शन सक्सेस रेट एंड रेमिटेंसेस टाइमलाइन. Which act announced by Union Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan introduces mandatory QR codes for seed packers? So this is the New Seed Act. Now this act aims to modernize the regulatory framework by ensuring input quality and preventing substandard product. Which organization launched the Sangam Infrastructure Innovation Center in Bengaluru for enterprise AI development? So ये है IBM. Which mobile application was launched by the Bureau of Energy Efficiency to scan appliances QR code? तो जो आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक एप्लियंसेस खरीदते हो, इसमें जो QR कोड लगा होता है, इसको स्कैन करने के लिए जो ब्यूरो ऑफ एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी है बी, इन्होंने लॉन्च किया है बी स्टार लेबल मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन टू नो द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. विच टेक्नोलॉजी वॉज टेस्टेड बाय NIOT ऑफ तमिलनाडु कोस्ट टू इनहेंस वेदर फॉरकास्टिंग एंड ऑफशोर विंड एनर्जी? सो यहाँ पे फ्लोटिंग लिडार बुआई सिस्टम को टेस्ट किया गया है. Now this floating lidar buoy system measures the offshore wind speeds and direction accurately to support the renewable energy modeling. Who was reappointed as the Drug Controller General of India by ACC? So this is Rajiv Singh Raghuvanshi. Which housing finance company signed a $100 million deal with Asian Development Bank to boost the affordable housing? So ये जो है, this is has been signed by Motilal Oswal Home Finance Limited. Which wildlife protection project was launched in Andhra Pradesh by Deputy CM Pawan Kalyan? Important. So Telangana Andhra Pradesh government ने प्रोजेक्ट हनुमान को लॉन्च किया है for the wildlife protection. It aims to curb the human-wildlife conflict by deploying GPS-enabled rescue vehicles and wildlife ambulances. What is the theme for the World Obesity Day observed on 4th March 2026? So World Obesity Day की जो theme थी, ये थी 8 billion reasons to act on obesity. Now, along which river did Union Minister Sarbananda Sonowal lay the foundation of India's first riverine lighthouses? India की first riverine lighthouses have been laid down in Brahmaputra River, on the Brahmaputra River in the national waterways too. who emerged as the richest person in the India and Asia according to the Hurun Global Rich List of 2026. So यहाँ पे richest person in India is richest person in Asia is Mukesh Ambani. What is the name of the exclusive salary account for working women launched by Yes Bank Limited? So this is the Yes Essence Women Salary Account. Next, who was appointed as the Chief Justice of the Madras High Court in March 2026? So Chief Justice of Madras High Court is Justice Sushruta Arvind Dharmadhikari. एंड हाई कोर्ट के जजेस को अपॉइंट कौन करते हैं? तो ये प्रेसिडेंट करते हैं, ये बात तो आपको पता होगी ही. ओके. नाउ विच डिफेंस कंपनी साइंड एन MOU विथ बेलाट्रिक्स एरोस्पेस टू डेवलप VLEO सैटेलाइट पेलोड्स? सो ये भारत इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स लिमिटेड ने MOU साइन किया है. What theme was adopted for the Mobile World Congress MWC 2026 held in Barcelona, Spain? इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो जाता है. सबसे पहले तो आपको पता होना चाहिए मोबाइल वर्ल्ड कांग्रेस 2026 ये बार्सिलोना में हुई थी. एंड जो थीम थी द IQ एरा. Who unveiled the logo of Cycling League of India, the world's first franchise-based road cycling league? So ये लोगो जो है वो मनसुख मांडविया जी ने यहाँ पे लॉन्च किया था. What is the name of the GEM initiative that celebrated its 7th anniversary promoting inclusive public procurement? So the name of the initiative was Swayat. The initiative integrates startups, women, entrepreneurs, youth into the national public procurement system. Which state budget was presented at rupees 4.48 lakh crore budget for the financial year 27 focusing on technology driven growth? So ये present किया है कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट ने. Which bank launched a $50 million syndicated social term loan facility to boost women economic empowerment? So ये स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने ये लोन लॉन्च किया है. Which company signed an MOU with Bharat Electronics Limited to enhance indigenous defense manufacturing? So this is Sasmo HET Technologies. What is the maximum permitted life cycle emissions for green methanol under the new MNRE standards? So methanol के लिए maximum permitted standards हैं 0.44 kg of carbon dioxide per kg. Which organization submitted India's 7th national report to the Convention of Biological Diversity? So ये जो है Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change ने यहाँ पे ये रिपोर्ट प्रेजेंट की है. What scheme did Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis announce to waive crop loans up to rupees 2 lakh? तो जो महाराष्ट्र के फार्मर्स हैं उनको 2 लाख तक के लोन्स को माफ करने के लिए स्कीम लॉन्च की है. स्कीम का नाम है पुण्य श्लोक अहिल्याबाई होलकर फार्मर लोन वेवर स्कीम. Which central bank won the Initiative of the Year award for its .bank.in domain rollout? So ये Reserve Bank of India. Which company secured a $300 billion green ammonia supply deal with South Korea's Samsung C&T? So ये Reliance Industries Limited ने यहाँ पे साइन किया है 15 years का एग्रीमेंट as a part of its clean energy expansion. Who received the Colonel C.K. Naidu Lifetime Achievement Award at the BCCI Naman Awards 2026? So ये award has been given to Roger Binney and Rahul Dravid. And this award is BCCI's highest honor. Next है. Which state achieved a milestone with the successful launch of its first sounding rocket by OmSpace Rocket and Exploration? Okay, so this has been launched by Gujarat. The rocket is a single-stage suborbital rocket, was launched from Dholera, marking the Gujarat entries into the private space tech ecosystem. What is the name of India's first hybrid passive index fund launched by Edelweiss AMC? So the name is Edelweiss Nifty Target Large Mid Cap 250. Which former Indian ambassador was conferred France Legion of Honor in March 2026? Important है. So France Legion of Honor was given to Javed Ashraf. Which financial institution approved a $300 million loan to Uttar Pradesh for a clean air transition? So यहाँ पे वर्ल्ड बैंक ने अप्रूव किया है लोन. According to the National Statistical Organization Periodic Labor Force Survey, what was India's overall unemployment rate in Feb 2026? So Feb 2026 में जो unemployment rate थी इंडिया में वो थी 4.9%. How many institutions were approved by the Government of India to establish quantum labs under the National Quantum Mission? So 23 labs will be established. Which organization signed an MOU to support the Spark 100K collective for women's entrepreneurship in India? So ये जो organization है, this is with British Council. A British Council has partnered with the Women Collective Forum to enhance skill and expand networks for women entrepreneurs. Which fintech platform launched the Scapia Pay app to earn reward via the RuPay credit card? So Scapia ने ये launch किया है. NIPL expanded UPI merchant acceptance via Lanka QR codes in which country? So यहाँ पे Lanka QR codes obviously श्रीलंका में ही होंगे. So ये हमारा correct answer है. Which university partnered with Tata Steel to develop low carbon steel making technologies? So यहाँ पे Universities of Science and Tech in Beijing यहाँ इन्होंने partner किया है. Next is which organization launched the Gyan Bharatam National Manuscript Survey to map India's manuscript heritage? So this Gyan Bharatam National Manuscript Survey was launched by the Ministry of Culture. Now, the nationwide exercise aims to digitally map and preserve the manuscripts across the country. What is the total financial outlay of the Bhavya scheme approved to develop 100 plus plug and play industrial park? So 33,660 crores have been allocated to the Bhavya scheme. Now the allocation amount is not that important, but आपके लिए important है. The important thing for you to know is that Bhavya scheme is related to the इंडस्ट्रियल पार्क एस्टैब्लिशमेंट. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. विच मेट्रो लाइन्स एक्सपेंशन कंप्लीटेड a circular connectivity across New Delhi, which was inaugurated by PM Modi. So the Pink Line is the only metro service in the country which has a circular connectivity. मतलब जहाँ से वो स्टार्ट होती है in a circle वो एंड वहीं पे होती है. Now, where did PM Modi virtually lay the foundation stone for a greenfield airport in Rajasthan? So, the foundation of a greenfield airport in Rajasthan has been laid in Kota, Bundi. Now, the government of India constituted a 17-member committee to suggest larger reforms for which policy? Okay. Now, this is the स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन पॉलिसी. ये एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, आपसे पूछ सकते हैं. द पैनल विल सबमिट द रिकमेंडेशन फॉर ब्रॉड बेस्ड रिफॉर्म्स टू फॉर्मुलेट द SE0 पॉलिसी. अब स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन जो है ये 2005 की पॉलिसी है. 2005 में ये पॉलिसी को फर्स्ट टाइम इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया था. Who was approved by the RBI as the interim CEO of the Fino Payments Bank? So this is Ketan Merchant. In which 1965 India-Pakistan war hero and Veer Chakra awardee passed away in Kerala? So the name is KG George. He was a veteran of Indian Army's Corps of Signals who established vital communication link during the war. What is the theme for the International Women's Day 2026? So International Women's Day की theme थी Rights, Justice, Action for all women and girls. Now, which entity collaborated with ORF to launch the report, A Vision of Water Governance for Viksit Bharat? So, ये जो स्कीम थी, ये जो रिपोर्ट थी, ये थी बिस्लेरी इंटरनेशनल. What is the tagline of the Jal Mahotsav 2026 campaign? So Jal Mahotsav की campaign की जो tagline थी, it was गांव का उत्सव देश का महोत्सव. Now, where will the Indo-CIS Pharma Nutraceutical Corridor be commercially activated in May 2026? This is an important question. ठीक है? So it will be activated in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. The corridor will be activated in Pharma Eurasia 2026 Industry Exhibition. Which two countries hosted the NATO's biennial Arctic military exercise Cold Response 2026? Very important question. ठीक है? So ये जो Cold Response 2026 exercise थी, this was conducted by Norway and Finland. Now, IRDAI granted final approval to which company alongside Allianz Geo to start the general insurance operations? So this was Kiwi General Insurance. Next is, apart from GIC RE, which is the only other existing domestic reinsurer in India? So this is ValueEthics RE. Next है, what is the total outlay of the Punjab state budget for financial year 2027 presented by Finance Minister Harpal Singh Cheema? So this is 2.60 lakh करोड़ का बजट है यहाँ पे. Next है, how much was allocated for the Mukhyamantri Tirth Yatra Yojana in Punjab in financial year 27 budget? So 313 crores were allocated. The CCEA, that is the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, approved a rupees 3,630 crore Greenfield Road Connectivity Project for which airport? So this was for the Noida International Airport. Okay, Noida में कौन सा international airport है? This is the Jewar International Airport. A rupees 3,839 crore project was approved to 4-lane the NH 752D section in which state? So Madhya Pradesh. Who released the report titled Mapping of Textile Waste Value Chain in India? This is an important question. पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. So the report titled Mapping of the Textile Waste Value Chain in India was released by Giriraj Singh, who is the Union Minister of Textile also. Next है, which document outlines a strategy to transform the Indian Armed Forces into a future-ready military by 2047? So this is the Defense Force Vision 2047. अब ये जो Defense Force Vision of 2047 है, it has been released by Rajnath Singh, and it promotes advanced technologies and multi-domain capabilities. Next is, veteran politician Biren Singh Engti, who passed away recently, was a 5-time Lok Sabha MP from which constituency? So he was from Difu. Okay, Difu in Assam. When was the Central Industrial Security Force officially established under its respective act? तो CISF कब फॉर्म हुई थी? ये फॉर्म हुई थी 1969 में. ओके. What acronym forms the core focus of the 1.11 lakh करोड़ उत्तराखंड बजट? तो एक्रोनिम क्या है उत्तराखंड के बजट का? दिस इज ज्ञान. ओके, ज्ञान मतलब G फॉर गरीब, I फॉर युवा, A फॉर अन्नदाता and N for Nari Shakti. Next is, what is the capacity of the new polypropylene unit inaugurated by PM Modi in BPCL Kochi's refinery? So it is 400 KTPA. This aims to boost the domestic polymer production demand and reduce its import dependence. Next is, where did PM Modi lay the foundation for the BPCL city gas distribution network worth 3,680 crores. So it is in the Nilgiris and Erode. Now, what is the estimated total Kharif food grain production according to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare? Second advance estimates for 2025-26. So this is 1,744 plus 44 metric tons. Which company signed an MOU with DPIT to promote startup collaboration in the cooling and smart appliances ecosystem? So this is Voltas Limited. Which major NBFC voluntarily surrendered its COR to RBI after exiting the business? This is KKR India Asset Finance. The RBI authorized which fintech platform operated by DreamPlug Technologies to act as an payment aggregator? So the correct answer is CRED. Next is, what GDP growth rate did Nomura project for India in financial year 27 due to West Asia conflict? So India के लिए जो projection था it was 7% का. Now, what is India's projected current account deficit for financial year according to the Nomura report? तो जो current account deficit था इंडिया का it was around 1.6% of the GDP. The newly launched NDSA website aligns with which digital brand identity manual? So it aligns with the DBIM 3.0. The website include GIS-based specified dam sections with key information on dam across the India. What does the RBSD platform launched by the NDSA stand for? So this stands for Rashtriya Bandh Suraksha Darpan. Okay, and ये जो platform था it has been developed by CDAC for dam break analysis. Next है, where did Union Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy dedicate a 5 megawatt ground mounted solar power plant? So it has been inaugurated in Bhel, Haridwar. Which department signed an MOU with the Coalition of the Willing for a support model for the hearing and impaired? So this is in DEPWD. That is the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability launched India's first integrated life cycle support model. Now, institutions from the Northeast India signed a letter of intent with which Japanese university at the IIT Guwahati? This is an important question. So, Northeast की universities ने यहाँ पे sign किया था with Gifu University. The awareness program on digital payments was part of which RBI initiative in March 2026? So जो ये awareness program on digital payments था, it was a part of Digital Payments Awareness Week. Okay, and it included the pilot program थोड़ा ध्यान से campaign. At what thrust level was the ISRO CE-20 cryogenic engine successfully tested at sea level? So 22 टन पे इसको टेस्ट किया गया था. इम्पॉर्टेंट ये नहीं है कि कितने टन पे टेस्ट किया गया, इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि CE-20 जो है वो इसरो का क्रायोजेनिक इंजन है, जो कि एक सॉलिड स्टेज्ड इंजन सिस्टम है. ओके, नाउ इट हैज़ अ नोजल प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम टू इनहेंस द पेलोड कैपेबिलिटी. सो आपसे क्वेश्चन ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं कि जो ये नोजल प्रोटेक्शन सिस्टम है, ओके, ये किस चीज से रिलेटेड है? तो दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द रॉकेट इंजन्स. What event is globally observed annually on March 13th to recognize the community service and leadership? So this is the World Rotaract Day. Now, which road infrastructure program had its Bhumi Pujan performed by PM Modi in Assam? तो असम माला 3.0 is the initiative जिसको कि PM मोदी ने यहाँ पे जिसका भूमि पूजन किया है। In which district of Andhra Pradesh is the world's first autonomous maritime shipbuilding center being established? So this the world's first autonomous maritime shipbuilding center will be established in Nellore. Where will the 100 crore integrated aqua park project announced by Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh be located? So ये जो integrated aqua park project है, this is going to be inaugurated in Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. To what percentage did the Ministry of Finance reduce the minimum public shareholding requirement for larger IPOs? So पहले जो था वो लार्जर IPOs के लिए मिनिमम शेयर होल्डिंग की रिक्वायरमेंट 5% की थी, नाउ ये 2.5% कर दी गई है रिड्यूस करके। Now, why did RBI impose a rupees 2.70 lakh penalty on Manappuram Finance due to the KMP compensation guideline violation? Now, from which organization did DCM Shriram secured a 90 million US dollar through sustainability linked NCDs? So this loan was taken from International Finance Corporation. For what is the India's GDP growth forecast for financial year 26 according to the Fitch rating in March 2026 outlook? तो इंडिया का यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्टेड जो ग्रोथ रेट है वो 7.5% का दिया गया है। Who became the third Tamil writer to be honored with Gyanpith Award? So this is R. Vaidamuthu. What was the cash prize amount awarded along with the 60th Gyanpith Award? So the cash prize is worth rupees 11 lakhs. Now, the new plant species Osbekia zubeen-गर्गियन was discovered in which national park? तो जब आप इस नाम को देखोगे जुबीन गर्ग, यहाँ से आपको पता चल जाएगा ये एक फेमस फोक सिंगर थे आसाम के, ठीक है। एंड ये जो स्पीसीज डिस्कवर की गई है ये मानस नेशनल पार्क में डिस्कवर की गई हैं, ओके। Which country finished second behind India in the medal standings at the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2026? So Russia has finished behind India. इंडिया ने टॉप किया था टेबल with 208 medals, ठीक है। Who recently became India's 94th chess grandmaster? This is an important question, पूछ सकते हैं आपसे। So Mayank Chakrabarti is the 17-year-old grandmaster. He hails from the northeast region of India. What was the estimated value of India's cumulative export for the April-Feb 2025-26? So ये था around 790.86 billion US dollars. To which organization did India submit its first national report on implementation of the Nagoya Protocol? Very very important question, ठीक है। So Nagoya Protocol is related to biodiversity, ओके। तो ये रिपोर्ट किसको सबमिट की होगी? सेक्रेटेरिएट ऑफ द कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी। और ये जो यूनाइटेड नेशन कन्वेंशन ऑन बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी था, ये जो था दिस वाज साइंड इन द ईयर 1992 इन द रियो अर्थ समिट, ओके। नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। Effective April 1st, 2026, what new validity period applies to registration and licenses issued by FSSAI? So जो FSSAI लाइसेंस इशू करेगा इसकी वैलिडिटी का जो पीरियड होगा ये परपीचुअल वैलिडिटी होगी, ओके। क्यों? क्योंकि पीरियोडिक रिन्यूअल्स को एलिमिनेट करना था एंड कंप्लायंस बर्डन ऑन द फूड बिजनेस ऑपरेटर्स को रिड्यूस करना था, दैट्स व्हाई दिस स्टेप हैज बीन टेकन। What institutional platform was launched in New Delhi to strengthen trade and agriculture cooperation between Asia and Africa? So this is the Asia-Africa Agri Alliance. Which service was launched by India Post to provide guaranteed next day delivery across 6 major cities? So this is the 24 speed post. The Government of India granted approval to set up a 1,250 crore dedicated special economic zone IT park in which union territory? This is important. So ये जो परमिशन दी गई है ये पुदुचेरी में दी गई है. पुदुचेरी में it is going to be established. Which USA-led multinational anti-submarine warfare exercise did the Indian Navy participate in at Guam? Guam कहाँ है? ये USA में है. So the name of the exercise is Sea Dragon 2026. Indian Navy has participated alongside the forces from Japan, Australia, New Zealand, okay, and US to enhance the Indo-Pacific cooperation. Next देखते हैं. The World Bank approved a $300 million loan to support the Clean Air Plan in which state? So this initiative is being taken up in Uttar Pradesh. The loan will facilitate a clean air transition in UP as a part of the Regional Air Quality Management Program. Next, which company launched the upgraded Shri Health Suraksha 2.0 health insurance plan with zero co-payment? So this has been launched by the Shri Ram General Insurance. Who won the Polly Umrigar Award for Best International Cricketer at the BCCI Naman Awards 2026? So this has been won by Shubman Gill. Which former ambassador won the Sahitya Academy Award 2025 for his novel Crimson Spring? This is an important question. So correct answer की मैं बात करूँ तो Navtesh Sarna is the correct answer. Who won his first ever Formula 1 race at the 2026 Chinese GP driving for Mercedes? This is Andrea Kimi Antonelli. The Zoological Survey of India discovered 2 new species of lichen moth in which region? This is again an important question. So the new species have been discovered in the Eastern Himalayan region. Okay, these are the name of the 2 species that have been collected from the Sikkim and West Bengal. According to the NSO Periodic Labor Force Survey, what was the India's rural unemployment rate in Feb 2026? So it was 4.2%. Where will the India International Science Festival 2026 be held? It will be held in Pune. Now, what is the estimated total horticulture production in India according to the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare in the first advances estimate for 2025-26? So the amount is 3,708. Now, effective June 2028, the Ministry of Renewable Energy has expanded the ALMM framework to include which new category? So the solar ingots and wafers category will be included in the ecosystem. The British Council Spark 100K Collective aims to target how many women entrepreneurs across India? So it will target approximately 1 lakh women entrepreneurs. Next is Tata Steel signed an MOU to develop low carbon steel making technologies with a university from which country? So China. Now, which organization act as the sole registrar for the RBI's exclusive .bank.it internet domain? So this is IDRBT. Now, in which year was Bheem Payments app originally launched on the NPCI UPI platform? So Bheem जो है वो 2016 में launch हुआ था. Now Kushal Das, who passed away at the age of 66, served as the former General Secretary of which organization? So he served as the General Secretary of the AIFF, that is the All India Football Federation. What is the theme for the World Consumer Rights Day observed on 15th March 2026? So safe product, confident consumers is the theme. When is the United Nations International Day to Combat Islamophobia observed annually? So it is observed on 15th March. Which entity is implementing agency for the Director General of Foreign Trade Relief Scheme supporting the Indian exporters? So ECGC is the implementing agency for the relief scheme. यहाँ पे you need to know that this relief scheme is related to the Indian exporters. According to the CEA, India's installed power generation capacity is projected to reach what level by 2035-36? So 1121 gigawatts. Which state emerged as India's top textile exporter according to the Niryat data? So Tamil Nadu is India's topmost textile exporter state. Where did the BPCL launch India's first LPG ATM under the Bharat Gas Insta LPG pilot project? So it has been launched in Gurugram. The Indian Army successfully conducted exercise Amogh Jwala to validate mechanized warfare readiness in which state? So it will be held in Uttar Pradesh. Who retained the top spot as the world's richest person on the Forbes billionaire list of 2026? So Elon Musk ने यहाँ पे टॉप किया है. Now the WTO projected global merchandise trade to slow sharply. To what percentage in 2026? So it will slow down to 1.9%. AIC launched the Krishi Sakhi program to empower which specific demographic? So this is to target the women farmers. Also, you need to know that the United Nations designated 2026 as the International Year of Women Farmers. Who became the youngest recipient to be named the 2026 Stockholm Water Prize? This is very important. So, Kaveh Madani. The Iranian scientist and UN official was honored for his contribution to the water governance and crisis management. Kaveh Madani from Iran. Next is Tata Sons chairman N. Chandrasekaran was conferred which prestigious honorary knighthood by the UK? So he was given the KBE. Okay. That is Knight Commander of the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire. Which university launched a Center of Excellence in Smart Healthcare powered by NVIDIA Blackwell Architecture? So this is by the Chandigarh University. Which union minister launched the Prarambh 2026 nationwide income tax department awareness campaign? So it has been launched by Nirmala Sitharaman. The campaign aims to prepare citizens for implementation of the new Income Tax Act 2025. The MOHFW constituted the National Dental Commission to replace which previously existing statutory body? So the National Dental Commission will replace the Dental Council of India. India and Indonesia announced a collaborative initiative to restore which 9th century temple complex? So this is the Prambanan temple. Okay. Which organization signed an agreement with Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change to act as the Environment Audit Designated Agency? So this is the National Productivity Council. Which department launched the 5G Innovation Hackathon 2026 to promote indigenous scalable solutions? So this is by the Department of Telecommunications. Which bank became the first bank in India to launch an overdraft facility on a UPI linked credit line for women self-help group? This is Bank of Baroda. Indian mountaineer Bhupathiraju Anmish Verma set a Guinness World Record for what? For the for the fastest climb of what? So 7 volcanic summits. He completed this in a record 92 days, 4 hours and 45 minutes time. Which Indian actress received the Women Empowerment Award for Arts and Culture at the UK's House of Commons? This is Rituparna Sengupta. The National Institute of Ocean Technology successfully tested a floating lidar buoy system of the coast of which state? So Tamil Nadu. Who authored the book Karuna, The Power of Compassion, which introduced the compassion quotient concept? So it was introduced by Kailash Satyarthi. The book के author हैं Kailash Satyarthi. Important है ये. What is the theme for the World Sparrow Day observed on March 20th, 2026? So the theme is creating bird-friendly cities and communities. Where was the first edition of the Bharat Electricity Summit BES 2026 held? So it was held in New Delhi. Okay. Now the summit brought together global stakeholders to strengthen India's energy transition at Yashobhoomi in New Delhi. What is the maximum loan guarantee limit under the Credit Guarantee Scheme for the Microfinance Institution 2.0? So the maximum loan guarantee limit under the Credit Guarantee Scheme is 20,000 crores. Where did the Government of India establish a pilot plant for manufacturing NdFeB earth permanent magnets? So this is in ARCI Hyderabad. The facility was established to reduce import dependence and support EV, renewable energy, and advanced electronics sector. Which country ranked first globally as the most impacted by terrorism in the Global Terrorism Index of 2026? This was Pakistan. India signed an MOU with which country to launch the UPU UPI cross-border remittance system? This is an important question. So, correct answer is Bhutan. Which cricketer was appointed as the brand ambassador for the City Union Bank Limited? This is Ravindra Jadeja. Which AI skilling initiative was launched by the Union Minister Ashnavi Vaishnav with Google and YouTube? This is an important question. So the name of the initiative is National AI Skilling Program. Which portal was launched by the Ministry of Rural Development for real-time digital audits? So this was the internal audit portal. This internal audit portal was developed by the NIC. SEBI reduced the minimum investment value for individual investor in the social impact fund to what amount? So 2 lakh rupees से 1000 तक इसको reduce कर दिया गया है. The amount, the minimum amount that should be invested in the social impact fund. Which financial institution became a signatory to the United Nations Global Compact in March 2026? So L&T Finance. Razorpay partnered with which startup to introduce voice-led multilingual digital commerce in India? So this is SarvamAI. Which bank received the National Award for Outstanding Performance in Self-Help Group Bank Linkage? So this is the Karnataka Grameen Bank. Which new cockroach species was discovered by ZSI scientists in Pune, Maharashtra? So this is the Neolbopetra penicularis. What is the financial outlay for the revamped RCS Udan scheme approved by the Union Cabinet? So this is 28,840 crores. The IVFRT scheme extended till March 2031 is implemented by which agency? So this is implemented by the Bureau of Immigration. Under the India's nationally determined contribution target for 2031 to 2035, GDP emissions intensity is to be reduced by what percentage? So 47%. The 6th BRICS CCI Women's Empowerment Summit 2026 unveiled which initiative led by Meenakshi Lekhi? So this was Mission Shakti Sat. This initiative was launched during the summit focusing on women in innovation and science leadership. The National Commission for Women partnered with which platform to launch the True Cyber Sakhi Digital Safety Toolkit? So this is with the Truecaller. Which Indian institute ranked 21st globally in the business management studies in the QS World Universities ranking? So this is IIM Ahmedabad. who was elected for the 35th Saraswati Samman for the Bengali novel Hara Parbati Katha? So this is Ram Kumar Mukhopadhyay. Which union territory launched a CBDC-based digital food currency pilot for the DBT under the Pradhan Mantri GKAY Yojana? So this is Puducherry. Now, which state launched India's first state innovation mission under the Atal Innovation Mission? So this is Tripura. The Ministry of MSME upgraded the National Small Industries Corporation to which CPSE sector? So Schedule A में इसको upgrade कर दिया गया है. UIDAI collaborated with which company to display authorized Aadhaar center on its map? So UIDAI ने Google के साथ ये pact किया है. Who assumed the role of interim CEO of the World Economic Forum following Borge Brande's resignation? So this was Alois Zwingli. Which operation did Indian Navy launch to secure India-bound energy vessel in the Strait of Hormuz? Very, very important question. So this was Operation Urja Suraksha. The mission escorts high-priority ships carrying critical LNG, LPG and crude oil supplies. What is the name of the Indian Air Force first helicopter dropped drone project? This is Vayuban. Which portal was launched to digitize inspection process for road over bridges and safety projects? This is the PRISM-SG. The Ministry of Culture signed an MOU with which platform to globally promote Indian folk and tribal music? So this was YouTube. The National Housing Bank launched the Grih Sugam portal to facilitate home loan for which groups? So defense and government personnels. Who was sworn in as the youngest Prime Minister of Nepal in March 2026? So this is Balendra Shah. Which Spanish Olympic and World Badminton champion announced her retirement in March 2026? So this is Caroline Marin. India's first hydrogen powertrain completed its successful oscillation trials between which two stations? So between Jind and Sonipat. India signed a working arrangement with which entity to boost industrial aviation production and safety? So pact was signed with the European Union Aviation Safety Agency. Which state became the 12th to sign MOU on reforms under the Jal Jeevan Mission 2.0? It was Meghalaya. APSEZ designated Dighi port and which other port as the first port of refuge? So one is the Dighi port on the western coast and जो गोपालपुर port है Odisha का, this is on the eastern coast. Delhi government signed an MOU with which entity to develop the capital as a media and entertainment hub? So Prasar Bharati के साथ this MOU has been signed. Who leads the UN task force formed to safeguard trade in the Strait of Hormuz? This is an important question. तो UN ने designate किया है George Moreira da Silva को. Tech Mahindra signed an MOU with which digital institute to develop a 3D digital twin for smart campuses? This is IIT Bombay. Who assumed charge as the chairperson of the National Commission for Backward Classes in March? So this is Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti. PM Narendra Modi inaugurated phase 1 of the Noida International Airport located in which town? So this is in Jewar. According to the PELFS annual report, what was the youth unemployment rate? So it was 9.9%. Where was the inaugural World Buddhist Peace Conference 2026 held? Very, very important question. So this was held in Telangana. Okay, and Telangana Peace Conference was, Peace Declaration was signed also. Third edition of IMEX tabletop exercise was conducted by Indian Navy in which city? So it was conducted in Kochi. Indian Army signed its first ever capital procurement contract with GEM portal with which company? So with the JCB India Limited. Next, how many children and youth were out of school globally according to the UNESCO GEM report 2026? So 273 million. What is the title of the RBI's Payment Vision 2028 document outlining a roadmap for digital payment? So this was Shaping India's Payment Frontier. Who was named the World Archery Para Archer of the Year 2025? So this was Sheetal Devi. Now, which driver won the F1 GP 2026? F1 Japanese GP, becoming the youngest championship leader. So this is Andrea Kimi Antonelli. So with this, we have finished all the 350 questions of the March 2026 current affair. अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है तो डू कंसिडर टू गिव अ लाइक टू दिस वीडियो एंड कमेंट करके आप बताना कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी. सो टिल देन, thank you for watching this video and keep studying.